Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus video like today around the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Well, today's video is an unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing April month's Glamego subscription box. Yay, this is still in the carton. I haven't opened it, though I have sneak peeked the Glamego Instagram handle, so I know already what are the products are inside. So without further ado, let's go. And yes, this box has been sent by the Glamego team, and really I'm thankful to Glamego team for sending me this box for review purpose. Though all the review and whatever I will say will be my genuine experience. Oh wow guys, look at the box, look at this beauty. I really like this box. Oh my god, this popsicle and neon color, it's shouting Poonam, I'm here. Poonam, I'm here. And yes, this is the April month subscription box and I really like the neon colors. What you guys think? Are you looking forward to such kind of cool box? And I really appreciate Glamego because Glamego, like, you know, they not only send us box but they feel about the season and all, and then they customize the box according to the season, and I really appreciate that, guys. And popsicle, now I feel like eating popsicle. What do you guys think? Are you having a popsicle watching this unboxing video? If you are, then you are my best buddy. So this is the box, guys, and let me open. Oh my god, they got this. Okay, there's this magnet box, guys, and this is pretty cool to store your makeup and stuff. Here's this magnet box, because I remember earlier boxes were not magnet boxes, but yes, this is the box, guys, and this is how it looks from inside. And it's okay, so this is the hot summer edition by the Glamego team. So it's written hot summer, not for you. See me, chicky me, and breezy me. So there are some cool products over here, and that's why they have written this code, which is so good. I really like it. What you guys think, do let me know in the comment box below. And these are the products from inside. So let's dig in to all the products over here. All the information are written in this card, and it's written summer skincare products with SPF and sun protection, which is pretty yay because hot summer, guys. I am tan tone. I'm like, you know, I get tan like that. So yes, I really like products which got SPF during summers because it will protect me from the harsh UV rays. And yes, I am really looking forward to see what are the products inside the box, because I already like this box, guys. So the very first thing is the My Island Kiss Lip Balm. This is the product which is selected for eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018, which lets your lips moisturize with a lovely tint. So this is the box, guys. This is My Island Kiss Lip Balm. This is in the variant Cherry Blossom Florist Lip Balm Lip Moisturizer. It is 100% natural, 100% pure and organic, and this is obviously not tested on animals, cruelty free, and best before 36 months. So this is gonna last you for long, guys. And okay, so this is the product, and it contains SPF 15, which is pretty yay deal, guys, because you need lip balm, guys. Even in summers you get dry chapped lips, so you definitely gonna need a lip balm. And this is also petroleum free, sun protection, non-toxic, and it's safe to use on lips. So pretty good deal, guys. Let me open it. The price of the lip balm in the card, it's written $4.99, but over here it's written $3.99. So I don't know. Definitely I will check it online what is the exact price of this lip balm. and I will post it over here, or you can get this box and you can get this lip balm. So this is the lip balm, guys. I really like it. I got the cherry blossom variant, and let me sniff. Oh, it's more of tangerine. Yeah, it tastes like tangerine. Let me check. So this is the lip balm, guys. You can see that it's pretty orangey color, and it got lovely tint. So the next product is a Tjori anti-tan face pack, and it's priced at rupees 525. It removes the tan with its perfect age-old formula. So this is the tub, guys, and it contains wild turmeric anti-tan treatment, and it contains 50 grams of the product. You just need to mix it with water or rose water and apply on skin and neck, and then wash it off and pat dry. So this is how you should use this anti-tan face pack, and the tub looks pretty cute. And even, guys, this looks similar to Kama Ayurveda Uptan pack, if you know what I'm saying, because they have this kind of packaging. The labeling and the color coordination is pretty similar to Kama Ayurveda, I felt. And yes, this is the product. Let me open it. It's in the powder form. So yeah, this is the product, guys. You can see it is pretty yellow, and probably it will contain turmeric. This compact powder by NELF USA, which is pretty cool packaging, similar to MAC, Lakme and Faces, I felt. What you guys think, do let me know in the comment box below. The price of this product is 350 rupees, and I'm in the shade Natural 01. So let me open this product. The product is like this. Oh my god, there are some scratches in the in the compact. I hope the product is safe inside. Maybe it happened during shipping, I don't know. So this is the product, guys. Okay, there is a mirror, and you get a cushion like this, and this is the shade, guys, which is pretty close to my skin tone, I feel, because it's a natural color. And I don't want a full coverage on my daily compact powder. I would love a natural product which will complement my skin tone, and also give me SPF when it's summers. I think SPF compact you need throughout the year, because sun never sets in India. We are in a tropical country, and you need SPF 24x7. Not 24x7, throughout the year during daylight. So this is the product. Then the fourth product is the Vedicline Gold Facial, and the price of this product is 350 rupees. I hope there will be sachets, and let me check. Okay. The procedures how to use this product is written behind, and it's a pretty gold box, and I really like it. So these are the products. Oh my god, these are sachets as I expected. And with the watching the amount, I feel that this will last you for 2 facial sessions. What do you guys think? I think this will last you for 2 sessions. And yes, if you are married, you can share it with your husband, and if you are not married, you can share it with your mom as well, guys. So you get gold cream, gold cleanser, gold pack, gold scrub, gold moisture serum, and gold facial gel. So that's a pretty good step, guys. And the last thing is summer treat. It's summer let us treat you cool with surprise product. So there's the surprise product, guys, by Glamego, and the surprise product is clarifying face mask by Natural Bath and Body. So this is the sea clay mask, and I really like it. What do you guys think? Okay, Mother Nature's gift of love. So this is the face mask, and it contains sea clay. Okay, but it's written sample use. I don't know. I felt like it's a sample product that Glamego has sent. so that's a pretty yay. And I have noticed that earlier also I did unboxing. The product price range the total price range of the products will be around 2000 rupees, and you are paying only you are paying only like chillers like 399 rupees. So I think that's a pretty great deal. You are getting lots of products by paying just little. So yes guys, that's what my feedback is, because all the products are pretty good and I really like it. But the only concern for me is that you are getting 3 masks guys already. One is complete facial and the 2 are like one is powder form of face pack and another one is a gel based face pack. So 3 face pack. I would I would expect that there should be 1 moisturizer, because already there are 3 face packs or something else. Lip balm, I really like this product and I'm really looking forward to it, and also this powder. And yes, I really like this product. That doesn't mean I didn't like this product. I really like this box, but I felt like if you're subscribing, you are getting 3 face masks. I mean, yeah, 1 I'm dropping. So 1 is a complete facial kit and 2 face masks. This is what I felt. Do let me know what you feel also, because that is important. And also guys, maybe Glamego thought in that way, because during summers our skin reacts differently and you really need to treat it on on daily basis. Maybe in that sense Glamego has sent all these products. And thank you Glamego for sending me this awesome beautiful box. I really appreciate it. And yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.